Hola, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Soy bien. ¿Y tú? No hablo español. Right, the setup keeps changing because A, I'm using a spotlight that burns my eyes every time I look at it instead of soft boxes. The camera has to move when I'm done filming, and, you know, outside light changes. So bear with me. Right, so it's been too long since I've given your sound holes some dope tunes to listen to. So you guessed it, yep, LTTs are back. Today, right now, I have found that my music taste is very changing and that I'm very open when it comes to music. So this LTT is gonna be a bit random, no specific genre. So let's start off with number one, and that would be Jeremy Loops, Down South, South African racist? What? South African artist, and it's basically a one-man band, so just listen to this.
I did the ones to leave you down south. When I said that I would pour you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I did the ones anyway. Yo. I've been lying awake up all night, all these higher stakes in disguise. I've been dying to wake up.
The next one I kind of discovered randomly. I was scrolling through Spotify, I think, and I found it. This is Happy Idiot, TV on the Radio. It's a song that really sums me up, especially with the line, "I'm waving at cars." Because I do that.
Wanna play with the mother kids in the sun.
Numero 3, that was Spanish. How cool am I?
You're not cool at all, that's how much.
Thanks. Anyway, this song is We Can Ride by Go Freak. Make sure you put on your dancing shoes for this because it's a song that makes you dance. Do any of you like drum and bass? I found that is a genre that I quite enjoy because it's like boop clap to boop. The song is called Joyride and it's by Draper or Drapper, whatever you want to call that. So yeah, drum and bass. Okay, the next one, I actually need someone to tell me what genre this is because I really, really like this. It's called Kidnap Kid. Actually, that's the artist. The song is Animaux, which means animals in French. So yeah, listen to this. And the last one is one of my favorite artists of the moment, along with Flume. Check him out if you don't know him already. His name is SBTRKT, or Subtract. The song I chose, I don't even know why because they're all really good, was Never Never. So listen to this.
So let's harvest on the moon with the autumn snow. Cause I've never had so much to gain and threw it all away. And if I ever had the chance again, I'll probably do the same.
Okay, that's all I can offer you today. So go out there, explore the music realm. Give me some suggestions if there's anything in the genre of SBTRKT that you like, because I'm really listening to that for the moment. And yeah. What is this? Bye!